And welcome back on this Wednesday, a windy one at that, as the breeze is starting to increase in portions of the valley with a warm front that has been passing through. Right now in Fargo, our temperature has warmed up to 19 degrees, overcast skies, same thing in Moorhead as well, right at 19. But check out our wind out of the southeast at 16 miles per hour, gusting to 30 miles per hour. So areas that have been seeing some snowfall this morning and now into the afternoon, likely seeing a bit of blowing snow as well, leading to areas of difficult travel. But the bulk of the wind, the strongest wind gusts, are in the southern valley and west central Minnesota, seeing a wind gust to 30 miles per hour in Fergus Falls, 32 miles per hour in the Alexandria area, excuse me while I stumble on all my words, Bemidji gusting to 23 miles per hour. And visibility has been reduced with the snow falling up in areas like Baudette. That's where we're seeing a visibility of around a half mile, 1.3 miles in Roseau with that snow, and visibility even in Langdon, Devil's Lake through portions of the James River Valley down around 3 miles. So let's take a look at your travel map this afternoon. All these areas where you see purple from Devil's Lake up into Grafton and to the international border, that's where we're seeing roads partially covered with some snow and ice. In the Southern Valley, we're seeing it from about West Fargo down into Wahpeton and up into the Cooperstown area as well. In Minnesota, we're seeing a lot of blue, and that means roads are also partially covered with some snow and ice. One little area along I-94 there, completely covered in Minnesota. Timing through your hour-by-hour forecast, we're going to see that wind continue. Strongest where you see the yellow arrows, that's where we're likely to see those gusts into the 30-mile-per-hour range. So visibility and travel will be trickiest up across the Northern Valley because of the snow and the wind combining. Temperatures this afternoon are actually going to be near seasonal with teens across the north, some 20s down across the Southern Valley, but we're not going to see a lot of sun today until later tonight. After that sun sets, we're going to start to see clearing skies and wind turning out of the northwest by Wednesday morning. So we might have some blowing snow in time for your Wednesday morning commute, but it becomes gustiest later on in the day. Thankfully, no new falling snow for Wednesday, but snowfall accumulation for today, this is including what's already fallen, between 1 and 3 inches in this medium blue shade and about 0 to 1 inch in the lighter blue. Heading into Friday is when we have gone ahead and issued our next first alert weather day, because many of us could see some near blizzard conditions. Let's take a look at your headlines. This is going to be another clipper system, so not a lot of snow like Colorado lows tend to bring, but it's going to be one of the stronger clippers that we've seen, meaning a lot of wind and some moderate snowfall, especially across northwestern Minnesota. That's where these clippers have been setting their track for the most accumulation. We can expect several inches across northwestern Minnesota. Right now, it's looking like we could see wind gusts over 50 miles per hour in some areas. As of now, it's looking like eastern North Dakota and right in the heart of the valley is looking to see those strongest wind gusts. Temperatures Wednesday are going to remain on the fairly steady side. Cold for your Thursday morning, starting below 0 in the teens. A mild day Friday, but near blizzard conditions are looking quite likely. But JC looking a little quieter as we head into next weekend before our next chance of snow, potentially a Colorado low for early next week.
I have not heard you say Colorado low in a long time.
We haven't had one, I think, since December.
Not that it's good to hear, because no storm is a good storm, but
they usually don't bring as much wind, so it might be a better